What does the Central Intelligence Agency think about me? Should be the Cosmic Intelligence Agency. I did say that a year ago. You guys should truly consider changing your name. Archangel Metatron, Archangel Uriel. Akashic Records, clear and direct insights only. What does the Central Intelligence Agency feel about me personally? Guide my fingers. I never met anyone who thinks like you. I love it. Oh, you guys are so sweet. Thank you. Clarify. I never met anyone who thinks like you. I love it. For what the CIA thinks about me personally. Recharge. Mental rest. Does it look like I need a mental rest? Because I probably do. Emotional recovery. Taking a break. Come back stronger. I hope. This was positive. I feel much better. So it's just the Collier County government that hates me. You. Wait, he tilted his head like this. I guess Meta wanted me to document it, so I might as well perform it. He was like, he came over all Stephen Hawking. You. The poor nurse, she was sitting to my right and she looked at me because she knew he was targeting me. She looked at me and she's like, what the fuck? And I'm like, you know, to be honest, I'm not shocked because I just know who I am. And I know that people know who I am. But the whole the whole Stephen Hawking thing. You. Like, he did the performance twice, left, came back, and did it 2 more times. Brav the fucko. It was just... I wonder, okay, should we ask about the you guy? Archangel Metatron, Archangel Uriel. Guide my fingers. Answer from the Akashic Records, clear and direct insights only. What was the guy that said you to me? What was he trying to do? Like, what was he just mentally ill at a courthouse with nobody else around? Like, he went through security. What were his intentions with telling me you 4 times? Got my fingers. Like, was it a mating call? Universe, I don't know how to take that. Can you clarify doggy style? Grab my fingers, please. Conrad left you something in his will. I'm done. I am fucking done. So doggy style, like the first thoughts I'm getting are like, you're fucked, like, or someone wants to fuck you, right? So when he's coming to intimidate me, he wants to fuck me, but like not in a fun way, in a in a more, he knows that I was left in the trust. What did Conrad leave me? Conrad loved me. Conrad always wanted to see me drunk too, because I was always sober, and he's probably like, God damn, she's so fucking serious all the time. I'm really curious now. Like, honestly, I know what's coming for me, and I know the quality of man that is wanting me right now. So honestly, whatever Conrad left in his will is peanuts. I mean, it to be honest, like, I'm grateful for anything. Like, I have like $1 to my name right now, so I'm great. I'm not turning down anything that the universe wanted for me. But what I'm saying is, like, they're going so far with the doggy style, trying to fuck me. They're just doing so much extra, because it's like, what I have in store for me is just going to be so fucking epic. It's gonna be mind-blowing to me and like everybody else. They're like, how the fuck did she get there? Yeah, I don't know either. I mean, I do kind of like, no, it's like the universe, right? So it's like, whatever he left in his will probably just, in the long run, doesn't matter. But you're doing so much extra shit to keep it from me. And the universe will tell me while I'm channeling messages for the CIA. I can't make this shit up. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe I can hone in on what was left. What did Conrad leave in his trust for me? What did Conrad leave in his trust for me? Clear and direct insights only, answer from the Akashic Records, arcane, dramatic, non-articulate. Independent, free, lead, initiative. Yes, he left me something where he wanted me to be independent. He like loved me, I'm telling you. He was like the first human it was just so rare. Like, this man saw me and like loved me. I've never experienced that before by like anyone, not even like a mom. Not a friend, not, yeah, no, he really just truly loved me, and I know that he wanted me to be independent. Clarify, Conrad left you something in his will and independent. Answer from the Akashic Records, clear and direct insights only. Control matter, Conrad, control your will. The price of fame, sacrificing happiness for public approval, double-edged sword, walking through a tightrope. There's a big, huge gold coin with money on it right there. That's the thing. The end of the road. That's the thing. To get this money, I'm probably going to have to face public humiliation. She did this when she was 25. Did I murder somebody? Did I fucking eat a child like most of the elites do? No, I didn't. I had a little bit of fun in my 20s, drinking and being stupid. I want my money. At least I need like some of it just to survive until my divine masculine comes in. Or all of them. I feel like there's quite a few out there. But the one that I can't even say it out loud how I know for 100% fact that this is coming in for me because it's so ridiculous, but it's documented. So it's like, thank you, Conrad, for whatever you left for me. But, you know, I'm going to take it with this big ass gold coin and the money sign. Like, he left me money, right? But the side note is the price of fame. For me to get this, I'm going to have to... I don't want to be public. I've never wanted to be public. I don't like attention on me, ever. Some people do. Some people are big old whores for attention. Not me. So it's like I'm gonna have to, if I want this, then I'm going to have to have public attention. So excited. Conrad left me something in his trust. Look, I'm not trying to get anyone fired. Like, honestly, I'm all love and light. I forgive you all. I just don't know who tried to murder me several times. I feel like there's a lot of people that tried to take me out. And I'm still here. I'm still here. Evil eye. Like, it's so rude. Like, you know, I don't know what to say. I don't want anybody to lose their jobs. I really don't. People make mistakes. People make mistakes. People steal money accidentally all the time. They steal millions. They rewrite wills the day before their dad dies, and they, you know, I'm not trying to get people fired. I know what it's like to survive, but I don't feel like any of you gave two flying fucks. 33 minutes on the timer. 33 is a Freemason number, right? Archangel Metatron, can I have a card? 3 of Pentacles. I'm telling you, they collaborated to screw me over. Just give me my fucking inheritance. I don't want anything to do with you guys. Collier County. You like your structure. Go find me your least corrupt judge and gather the people that did the fucked up shit and have them give me my fucking inheritance. I don't want to be famous at all. Archangel Metatron, Akashic Records, Contact Insights, only answer for my Akashic Records, guide my fingers. What will Collier County decide to do about my inheritance? It came in reversed, but I have a feeling it's, yeah, what will they decide to do about my inheritance? They don't want me to get my inheritance because that takes a lot of people out. How many cops were involved? How many people that work for the local government were involved? Teachers, lawyers, judges. Is this like a death threat? You guys are so extra. You're so extra. Get a fucking life, honestly. Give me my inheritance and get a fucking life. You're gonna, what, hire a voodoo practitioner? Do that magical Lindsay. Take her out. hire a hitman, take her out because she's totally not justified. Yeah, the fuck I am. Like, Conrad left me something. And you know what? Conrad, immediately after he died, he came to me several times and he put his hand on my shoulder, which is what he did in real life. He knew once he transitioned, he was able to see all your fuckery. And he's like, Lindsay, no. And he was like knocking at my door, like, hey, Lindsay, wake the fuck up. And I'm just like, wait, hold on. Hold on. I'm dealing with all these narcissists in my life. I can't fucking think. I have some brain cells and I feel like they're activating, but just not yet. They're not activated yet. Right? Conrad has been the person on the other side guiding me through this. Bye, Collier County. Bye, CIA.